Welcome to yet another episode of Pass and Move, your number one podcast in the land. Brought to you by Benaya Foods, our number one sponsor. As I said, I'll be bringing in legends from the beautiful game now and in in between nje ngiyabe ngibisa nje ama-legends njengoba ngangikhulumile ukuthi kancane kancane bengibisa legend here and there, someone involved nje in the beautiful game. Namuhla eish ngiyaqhuqa khona angikwazi ukuthi ngithini ngoba ngihambe ngafula eish hhayi angikwazi ngizomu-introduce-a ngithini, ngiyesaba. Ibizo lakhe liyasinda in the soccer circles, liyasinda lami liyangisinda ukuthi ngikhulume. But anyway, I have to do justice. Former Eagles, amana ngiqalise kuhle. Former Blair Wanderers, Eagles, Wange, and the Highlanders legend, not forgetting national team yeZimbabwe, Johannes Samachu Chuma. Eish, mdala into yabona ukuthi ibizo lakho liyasinda senze ngiyesaba nokuthi welcome to Pass and Move.
Hayi, ngiyawabonga. Ngiyathanda ukuthi ngibonge ilanga lakho lamhlalelo uthe wangisukumisa
Eish,
wathi zexoxa.
ngenhlonipho and
Yeah,
bengiyesaba khonapha lokhu kumele ngikusho.
asho.
Hambo. Angazi ukuthi ama-player akhathesi azathatha njani ebadaleni. Umdala hambo. Ngihamba lo menzi laphana eLuvivi. Siyakhava igame ye-Chicken in the Platinum. Ngimchazela lo mdala angahle ngachazela kakhulu ngathi mdala noma sekutheni. You must be uPass and Move. Umdala wathi one time wathi ayithatha ifoni number yami umfonele. Mangifona umdala uthi one time abanye mdala ngiyathola nzima.
Ashe.
Ngiyathola nzima angazi ukuthi yini, but we need to document imbali yama-legends ebhora labafana bakhona abadlalayo khathesi.
Yeah, ukuthi ekukhuleni nekuphileni siyajiyana.
Angikwazi kumbe ibizo liyabe lilikhulu kakhulu or
No, yazehlisa nje.
eh
Ube yi-part and parcel. Manje wathi ukhula waphuma ngikhaya
eh
wadlala ibhola streetini. Wakhula ngalo ibhola.
eh
So uyawusesabani?
mina angazi.
Usesabani?
Ngiyazama njengoba lizwela nxa ubukele la ungomunye odonsa nzima ukuthi ubuye, learn from the legends because usamachu sizangena kwesinye isitori engasizwayo ukuthi why you remain so humble, because what one time bathi befona abakhulu basukumela phezulu. But anyway mdala, kuqalisa njani kuwe kumbe uhluyivule ngokuzalwa?
Okokuqala ngizawuthi igama lami bangazi njengoJohannes. uJohannes lo wabuya ngadlala kuBlair Wanderers. Ngilabo Noel Boy, Stanford Ntini. Arthur Makombe, Joseph Ndlovu, Charles Watau the late. Kwakunzima ukuthi bethi Johane during the course of the game.
Olona
Yeah,
nguJohane.
ibizo lami kahle kahle nguJohane Masambo Chuma. So njengoba vele ibhora ayiso ngithini incwadi yendayi
Yeah.
i-telegram message. So uthi Johane ngokusibanzi. So bonga ukuthi Johannes ngokusibalulu yabo. Yeah, so ibizo lami njengoba ngitshilo ekuqaleni ukuthi nguJohane Masambo Chuma. Ngazalelwa eMpilo mhla ka-16 July ngo-1962. Yeah. Ubaba wayesebenze e-National Railways of Zimbabwe. Now izolo kwakuthiwa i-Rhodesia Railways eyi-boiler maker e-RMS. Yeah, sihlala eChabalala, sarelocate sahlala ePatapata eMalfredson lapha eMpophoma. Yeah, sengithole indawo ka-grade 1 eMpumelo Primary School.
Eduze khona phela
Eduze
kwePatapata.
khona ePatapata. Vele ngingakafika esikolo ngase ngidlala uMphepha. Ya, ngakaqalisa ugrade 1 vele hayi,
Uthando lwaselukhona.
awungarikiriki.
Eh,
Ngikarikiriki vele ngakutshela into ozuyikholwe ukuthi nje i-coverage yayingekho by then. Ngandlala enye i-midfield engakuyikwanisa empilweni yami.
mina ngizakukholwa.
I was one of the best midfielders.
Yakwazi wayenziza kakhulu.
Eh,
Ngiyakhumbula ngenye i-day kunguDisemba, kusasele horsepower. But mdala kodwa into ayenzala abantu azangiyithanda. Lalidlala le team yabafazi
New Orleans.
New Orleans. Hayi, ngibona ilanga ledla uyalikhumbula. Yiko nje
Yes,
indzawo.
yes, yes.
Mdala washayela ishoti, wafubula lokho. Abantu
Okubamba utezi.
istadium sasuka sasabachuka ezinjalo.
Yeah, I was eqinisweni lihle uGidiza lwa.
Eh,
Ethi hayi midfielder. Ngiyavuma labo ulanda.
serious.
Hayi.
Mashingile ngokwakhe.
Hayi. Don't see midfield.
Eh,
Yeah. Ngangihlala egodini ngingedwa mina. Ndigcina igodi.
samachu nje lo.
Tshela.
Eh,
So ngadlala kuma juniors eWanderers. Sen primary ngathi sekubo grade 5 khona pha. 6.
eh,
Ubaba omncane wayehlala number 1. So
Mm.
ngandithanda ukuba omncane. Ngoba ngikhaya ngale usozwela ukhala. Ungafunini
Ibhola.
ibhola. But umdala ekhohle ukuthi la wayedlala ibhola. Yho.
wayefuna uconcentrate encwadini emabhukwini.
Ukhulu sorry to say ukhulu sidabuke Angola thina. Yabo. So baba wavele eAngola, Zambia ebuya ngapha.
Alright.
So thina sazalwa ngaphi?
Ezim-
eZimbabwe.
eh,
eRhodesia by then.
eh,
Right. So kuba omncane ngale kwakumnandi. Ngisihambile lapha neNdola. Hayi isikwezi lamajida lapha kube mnandi. Ngingasayi ngikhaya ePatapata. Ngihlala number 1.
wesabuswazi.
Yisesabuswazi. Yabo.
Eh.
Hayi ngakhula. Ama-games asikholisa ngangidlala phakathi.
Oh, esikolo empumelelo khonapho wahle waqalisa khonapho.
Yes.
Mm.
Hayi ngikataza empumelelo. Kule reference very open ukuthi ungathola isikhathi one day ubuze omunye undoda osebhoreni kathesi. Uke waba nguZifa chairman Southern Region Lower Division uTapera. Andrew Tapera.
Andrew Tapera.
Uzakutshela ukuthi umuntu lo
Midfield.
hayi egedini ngiyabona egedini uyabamba but phakathi umuntu wayedlala.
So usesikolo udlala phakathi kona. Utshintsha nini ukuthi hayi sengihawukela egedini.
Right. Secondary ngafunda eKuseleni Mission. Kulibhora phakathi.
Ekuseleni nga.
Ekusileni sapha ePhilipus ayisefilapus.
Oh, okay.
Hayi ngabuya ke Bulawayo sengiqedile isikolo. Unfortunately umama wasebhubha.
May your soul rest in peace.
Then impilo yangani yasinda. Ngingumdala ngikhaya. So iWanderers ezingi-off umsebenzi eNorth Refineries. But semphambilini Mbijana. Singemuva eMbijana nje. Kuma juniors. Nganguma under 16. Umzimba okhona. Fuze ndlale ku-17 la ku-reserve.
Udlala phakathi lapho.
Then kwakulenye crucial game kuma-under 16. Ugoalkeeper wethu walimala. Sisidle Islanders 3-0.
Alright.
Godfather ye-football of Bulawayo, Ali Papa Dube.
Yes.
Wayecoacha ama-juniors by then.
Yes. That is the Godfather.
Ngihamba mina sengiqedile umsebenzi phakathi. Ngahlohla 3 goals, hat-trick. Game lena zange ngi-assist. Ngangiyisebenzile ngama-long range ami.
Shaya.
Njengobona i-drop kick ukuthi ngangiyikhaba njani.
Exactly.
Hayi, goalkeeper waselimala. Kwale stoppage sibili for about 5-10 minutes.
Xa usakhumbula ama-under 16 ayalenda odlala la. Abadumayo nabangadumanga.
Unetsayi lawa. No, not Netsayi. uThutani. uThutani. uMercedes. McKenya, the late. Yabona ibo i-Grey gang yabo McKenya.
Alright.
Yeah. Igenge maKenya.
Mm.
Ngasemvolontier ke-Ekhedi. Iyelenda sidelele athi egodini akusela muntu.
Sesibuya manje.
Sesithaphuza. And for sure wathaphuza. But ukuthi behlohli hayi
Nki.
nkani. Khaba la ngenyawo, bambe la ngezandla. Bora laphela 3-0. Coach wami wathi vele ekhedini uyakwanisa. Mina as long kulothiwa libhora phambi kwami. Ngiyakholisa. Angikhethi inamba is just identity ukuthi kwazakala ukuthi udlala ngayo. That's how I took it.
Okay.
Yabona. Hayi. Yimi lo asachova. Then ngangena under 17 nje. Ngangena ku reserve side. Ngithe ngene ku reserve side ngasongilokhuzi. Ngase
I-reserve
ye-Wanderers. Ngase ngena Wanderers ku reserve side. Ngadlala one game kwi try and error. Ama players ayishotile. Ngavolontier yaba. Angadlela sizakholisa igame. Then game 2 reserve side now it was official.
Uthi goalkeeper.
Hayi. Ukuthi igame leyo yayi official ukuthi
I see.
it was a recognized game. Sanctioned game. Mpikwe phakathi. Then coach wama juniors Arlington Bof. But no. Ujones kambe egedini. Safaka uzibandozibando kumidi. Yabo. Jo ngathi another problem. Ngaba ngadlala egedini. Bengahlohla. But igame yangu ngagcina i-1-1. Sadlala kuthiwa Black Warriors. Banhlohla. Kuthiwa Black Warriors.
It's good. I would.
Sasiphuma lapho amakhaya. Sasithina nje as usual. We the trip to Chirez. Morrison Sfelane the late. Coach i-BT Ramblers.
Hey, amabiza mathima aliya ngiyazi.
But Morrison Sfelane yamkhumbula.
Morrison Sfelane yamkhumbula. Lathi wakwaba kuZifa.
Yes.
Morrison Sfelane ayibizwe.
Then kwavuze travel ebusuku. Ama senior players amaningi abuya. Including goalkeeper ekhona Ananias Du.
Problem kuyini?
Babezinathela utshwala.
Yayingakhimba.
So bandlanda ngikhaba wacela kumdala. Umdala wavuma ukuthi engajabulanga.
Lokho esiku-Wanderers.
Yes, Wanderers. Ngasuka ngadlala eChirets. Ngaphuma man of the match.
As the goalkeeper. Yahle
yaqala indaba.
Kwathi wathiwa phakathi hayi.
Kwathi khona phakathi. Wena unga
gedini.
Khona. Ngathi hayi. Nala problem. Sidlaleni ibhola.
As long
as ngi-involved with football okay.
Under pressure. Hey, when mentality ola vele from I believe usesemncane by then. Wona ngani? Ngakukhumbula.
I think ngilabo 17 18. Nevele ndlala ixazwe lebhola ku division 1 sibili Wanderers. Ngale 19 years. I was the youngest player.
U-D1 wakudala wangadlala. Wena. I-Premier don't think yayihlodi. Division 1 wakudala.
So kusuka khonapha ngahle ngathi hayi ndoda. Wena ekhedini. Lo uthi awugqiskiwe saphakathi haya
akusekho lo.
Nanda pressure.
By then umdala se-acceptile ukuthi indoda lo vele sekhetha ibhora.
Umdala u-accepta kwakunzima. Yabo. Wayenga-acceptanga nje ukuthi ngivumile olathela. Ngoba nje wayengangiceliwe ngo-Advocate Sibanda, the late lo mdala uMpofu. Babengama-officials e-Wanderers.
All right.
Yeah. Wabahloniphile nje khona ukuthi ngabadala.
Abadala yes.
Yeah, but back of his mind amdala engafuni ibhola.
Amdala but yena former player.
Hayi sadlala kwadlala sibili ngakhula ngi-goalkeeper hayi ngitrainwa sibili ngabona Ananias-Dube under i-guidance ka Majuda Mpofu, Maseko, Arlington Mpofu, to an extent Trevor Karasa Jr. Oba ngu-chairman weZifa. Umgreek owaye-responsible Wanderers.
Okay.
Yeah, wayencedisana le player Wanderers. Trevor Carassa Jewel ngiwasicoachayo sukubulawayo Wanderers satshintsha ibizo saya ku-Eagles
Oh, i-Wanderers yatshintsha.
ibizo yatshintsha ibizo saku
Eagles.
yes
Now I see.
so sithe sinjana umnyaka lona ka-82 nxa phambanisanga
Sokuyizimbabwe.
yeah kwaba le Zifa Cup 1982 yayi-involve ama-lower division teams
I still remember. Lami ngike ngayidlala iZifa Cup.
sokukarabha amathimu
Liku-D1.
saqala ngenkulu i-Rio Tinto kaJohn Rack amchaya 2
Yayihlupha phela i-Rio Tinto.
amchaya 2-0 where I remember a statement asikhuluma wathi these small boys are going to play the final. Believe you me. Dynamos, Highlanders,
Watch
I don't
out.
foresee you guys beating the small boys. These boys are
What to
playing,
watch out?
Yeah, they're playing one type of a football which I'm feeling to understand as a coach. Yes, I've been in the country, but this type of play, I've never
'Cause
witnessed it.
Eagles then elabo boy.
Exactly.
How good was boy?
I may. Umadinda Adam, Peter, Moses Chunga. Bengafiki boy. Ndakhuluma one history. Umdala, former national team coach, Sandy Chitsam. Benchini wayenikwa nguboy.
Ngizothiwa umreji waqhamuka.
Awu. Awureji umfana lokuyami.
Eish. Nawo yizo. No, Indlovu Brothers combined ukuthi babengafiki. I stand.
In terms of skill. You see, difference in Ndlovu Brothers, lo boy. Ndlovu Brothers propel ngespeed. Anju. Uboy wayekulanda face to face. Ndoda, ngicela ukudlula la. Hayi ukuthi alipasile lapha then it takes off. Wayebuyele emuva kudonsi. Akubamba bambe nje aphuthane lawe nje kuhle. Lokulidinga ibhora lidingisana ibhora khona pha. Agcine wena usungemva kwakhe nesephambili. That's boy for you.
Eish.
Umfana wayerage abantu man.
So ubusa sicodela ngezifa unity cup la. Wona ususegedini.
Hayi sayidabula. John Rack wa comment. Warandele ezinkulu. Yayilena. Bachona ikhulu.
Laychaya.
Ihlabana sisiyanga. Hayi iziniveza karab. Sayidlala iZifa Cup final. Versus Cape United. Rufaro. Sasuka
By then iku-D1.
division. Sasuka nzima la. Ama logistics sasingakabi wazi. Sasingabantwana. Nje nxa umntwana esikole primary nxa travel ama trips.
It's nice.
So thina sasibhukhela iplane. One time yakhansilwa. Wahlupanyana mbijana. But kunga sifly le to Harare. Kodwa u-Eagles asihamba ngama-Puge ama-4-4.
Alika flight aliyazi.
And that's quiet. Yayiqinile. Lami, Johannes Chuma. Panel Makope, reserve goalkeeper.
Also upanel nguye so goalkeepers coach at
National team.
National team. Why you reserve wakho?
Saslo Arthur Makombe, Charles Wadau, Opadachi wetu. That was my big four. But Joseph Ndlovu.
Big four, yeah.
Midfield ndo Stanford Ntini, Raman Kumbo, Elvis Chweshe, Boy Ndlovu, Tani Pan. Mbaba zani zo.
Nyabona iface yakuglow mjana yazi ngayiglow.
Usifaka uClive Moyo ecineni nga. Usucina ngobani ngoRaman Kumbo. Baba. Thina ibhora awuni ibhora edlala yiMan City. Limise iBarcelona. Isachise labo shaya.
Yabo Messi there.
Yabo Messi. Yes lidlala. There's only one club or one team yayisimecha thina. Kwathiwa kungathiwa Eagles versus Zisco Steel. Stadium will be fully packed and people will enjoy football.
There's Zisco.
Yes.
Not Highlanders, not Dynamos, not
Dynamos,
Caves.
not Capes, not Black Aces, not what. But the Eagles versus Zisco Steel.
Hey.
Inyoni zazikholisa inyoni. Inyoni phela. Zaziphaphila khona apha kwama-Kidden Pyramids la. Inyoni. Angafika ibhora lapha.
Iphansi.
Hayi. Mina ngalibamba khona apha eduzane khona. Sithatha sihamba.
Eish.
Awukufika. Hayi. Yithi labana siya ku final. Siye final Harare hayi sakhempa kuhle sihamba egemini sathi singena. Amashono Sheikman Tauru Friday Phiri. Ndunduma Shambo.
Hey.
Bahle bathi liyahlanya nabafana sorry ukusebenzisa igama lenu. Nafana hayi alinda.
Lapha ladliwa.
Lapha wena nje ukuthiwa uyabamba 10. uSheikman Tauru wathi kuJoseph Ndlova lapha nyadlula la. Friday bisa ngamabhora ngapha hayi make ngusisi nyana la. Yebo asasidulile thina nje silenhloni. Asikhulumi. I-big stage asijayelanga.
Bona very well they are used to.
Bona nje ngoba beku Premier League. Ithi labana sazokhela kuhle hayi angene ground parade. Yaqala. Akutshela sabayekela. First 5-10 minutes ansasayithukile thina. Hayi bakholisa babuya hayi bazama fica hayi ngikhona. Bazama fica ngikhona. Sheikman waphuma kabili amthathela. All right. Saqalisa ke manje. Wathule ground pause 20 minutes. Sidlalise libhora thina. Icaps idinga ibhora. Kuphuma amazwi uyafana tulogona uthi Ndithi kuphi uthi? Thina hayi lisabasazi. Asishela ngegate ngoba uDuncan Ellison. Asishela ngegate. Hayi. First half
Linoka nje.
Silinoka nje. Siye egate siphenduke.
Ubedinga.
Abelidinga so. Sichaye nje boy wachaya 3 uRaman wachaya nje emalutshwana la. Uthi Duncan la enga.
Engaqani.
Half time 0-0. Kodwa Twaneta uthi abana nazi.
Let the feet do the talking.
Girls, what guys, well done. Now, sisiya emsebenzini manje siulandile. Oh. Serious? I know it's okay. Asambe. Sahamba. Yakhauli Caps.
Le phela ngamabizo aqambayo. Yawuzithi Friday Phiri.
When?
Sheikman yiwo vele Caps kodwa ayesabiza.
Phela sayichumisa istadium liyani Rufaro. Yathule yathi zwi. Kuzwakala thina. Abantu bamashona bathi hayi.
Abantu bala.
Phansi ngeCaps phambili ngeEagles.
And icabanga by then Division 1.
Division 1.
Versus Premier League. Esabisa a big team.
Sayidonsa sayincenga sathi waya. Ore bathi yini? iCaps ngakahlohli. Hayi khona. Offside. Hayi sikubonile. Anje usicomplain. Sikubonile. Kwadlala. 2. 2-0. All right. Akula gole engeni lethi na akula ndawo. Adlala lichova. It was Joel Shamba, I think. Watched that through Charles Van. Yeah. It was a good goal. Ngachaya CB. Clean hands down. Webona khona la chaya ladlala la ku left flank yami. Left flank yami yasalihleli. Umuntu ayipick isport ekhoneni. Sure lifihla 1. Sakhangelana so sonke zathi ungazwayo. Ayi. Seconds.
Level scores.
Aref wayivuma.
Awona lisela choice. Uthi yale 3.
Hayi sayivuma athi 1-1 sathula. Khonokho sayiphinda. 2. Aref wathi hayi nafana lamanga le.
Wayala.
Hayi sikubonile. Sadlala. Deadlock stalemate. Extra time. Twaneta afana. Bathunogona twafana. Uyu
sebevumile manje.
Boye benzani? Stanford ndini. No nyoni ebenzani? Ayi. Okusetshenzwa Hayi saphutsha
They
first
win.
half. Hayi
Eh,
first half. Second half kwakhalwa madoda.
Eh,
Bakhala madoda.
extra time.
Basho madoda liyakuya ngaphi le.
Eh.
Hayi. Uthini keeps isihambile.
So ababuwina iziva besiya
Yeah,
represent.
ilizwe.
Ah,
Kwadlala igame kwasebenza ikhanda lika Friday Pierre.
yedwa.
Hayi lachaywa kodwa
Eh,
ngoba lenhlanhla nje. So it was a giveaway goal. I deserved it. But ngoba lenhlanhla ngoba ngangiline la libhora lakhe. Basidisposes. Basichaya ngecount. I think uCharles Banda weCaps. Waliphusha kabili kathathu. Wachaya all pass lo Ndunduma. Wayeflanking. Wali cross. So uthe crosser mina ngihamba le flight yebhora. Ngathi nyathi ngawundi nguFriday ngazipositiona kuhle walibeka ekhona benivela khona. Ngahamba lalo.
Waphenduka.
Ngafika ngaphenduka kunokuthi njani ngaphenduka ngase ngihambile emoyeni.
Phela that's
acrobatically.
That's a difficult skill.
Yes, that akwakini kwakuyi ngamanzi okunathi. Acrobatically ngahamba ngaliskupa nje wow ngangiye shed late. Ngaliskupa nje la ichaya ipole ngene. Ngabona uFriday uhlala phansi eguqa so ethandaza. Uyishake mina bonke bethandaza. Bekleka izandla so.
By then you would have made your mark. Abantu leZimbabwe kind. I think from there ke lahlela qasa khona ukuyenza khona amabizo.
Yes. Now into yasilimazayo kakhulu sasingangena kumarket. Yabo. Singakazakala ukuthi umuntu engadlala eBotswana eSouth Africa la. Asivele si content playing at home.
Kwakuyenziwa kuyini?
Sasingabi le exposure.
Was it ukuthi economy lelizwe lalisaseright? Kwakusamnandi. Kululuju.
But ukuthi nje babengafaki imali ebhoreni. But nathi singaholi ngicela ukutshela. Sesibonga uphiwa allowance nje.
Passion.
Just for passion. Thank you. Kugcwala stadium nje. Bonga uphiwa nje khona okuphiweyo.
And no complaints.
No complaint.
So done. Sedlala iZifa Unity Cup. Lisuka liyanga as wena personal.
Right. So this was Zifa Cup 82. I kept on playing for Wanderers.
Okay.
Then even Eagles.
Yes, Eagles.
Yeah. I kept on playing for Eagles. Then umdalo SKM. Over my challenges financially.
All right.
Yeah. Sasingani siya delete team. Isidilizwa ukuthi amanye ama key players asihambe kubani kwaIreland.
Vele babangasozebekile ulithatha ngendlela esilihluphe ngayo.
Chucho Raman. Thina esakhula ngevele le Wanderers. Akunzima ukuthi sishiye Wanderers. Sala. So ngasengipheswa I think it was 85. Ngasempheswa iboiler making.
No football.
Hayi football and nezasidlala ibhora sisebenza.
Yes.
Knock off at 5 o'clock. 5:15, 5:30 the ground. Training 6, 6:30 to 7 to 30 training go home.
It wasn't professional to that level. But even to the highest level. So wasuqina kakhulu.
Then I boiler making yami. Ngase nsiba attached to a Frida Gold Mine.
Trying
Frida Gold Mine. Rwanda.
All right.
Under Forbes and Thompson. Ngisebenzela ngikhona ngale njengomuntu uthanda ibhora. Ngayivusa team. Nxa uthi ungathola isikhathi ukhulume lo Jerry Sibani. Ukhuphane Masuku. Wabuza ukuthi team engangiyibumbile eFrida Gold Mine enjani. Sengisikhochela khonapho.
Awusadlala?
Sengikhulile mbijana ngasembonga. Ngase ngiyekele nje khonokho nje ukuthi
how old? But oyekele masinya.
Angazi ngangiyekele ukuthi ngiyekele complete. Ngangiyi-senior in that area.
Okay.
So I was guiding the boys.
Yes.
Ngambona talent, raw talent. Yabo. So ngangiziphekela nje abafana. Labantu dala bithanda ibhora all sponsored. So into engenze njana ngayicoach team leya. Ngizikholisela vele eFrida Gold Mine. amanye ama-games ngidlala, amanye ama-games ngikhoje
for the love.
for the love of football. Angilibele ngangisemgodini
Ungena
underground. Nanti once wenza ama-shoot.
eh
Nanti nxa bechaya amahhola what. So amatshena they should be transferred to i-surface. So khona kuthiwa ngama-shoot ansho.
sesigcina one.
Ama-shoot lawana nje.
Eh
I-all yayithula kwenye igabha.
alright.
Igabha lana ayithule kwenye indawo ngale. Igabha lana selithathwa nge-conveyor belt siphezulu.
Yes.
Sekuhlwa phezulu xa sokucholwa phezulu.
Oh.
So ngangu-14th floor phansi. 14th phansi ngikhatshana.
Hayi ukhatshana.
Hhayi ngezwa amabhere ayakhala. Ngezwa umuntu uyabe egijima ekhefuzela. Idingakala phandle. Indaba. Sekwenzekeleni? Kulabantu abafikileyo abangu-2. Kuthiwa ngu-Mr. Phiri, unfortunately umanager wethu kwakuthiwa ngu-Shepherd Phiri. La wayethanda ibhola.
Okay.
Uyakucela sibili very urgent. Kuthiwa chiya lokho okwenzani. Nayi lapha kodwa nangu uyakureplace.
Khathesi chiya.
Nangu uzokureplace. Omunye ubhoyela maker. Alright na. Ngisarende ngimtshele ukuthi hayi ndoda menzenza so sengenza swatana. Ngifike phezulu. Ngithi guess who I meet? The late Wanky legend Roderick Simmons.
Bizo leli ngiyalizwa kakhulu.
Mina Rhodes. Johan, so right.
iJohn sesidikhile kathi.
Njani? Bezokuthenga, bezokuthatha.
Sebeshaya isinambili.
Bezokuthenga. Nazacha? Thina wachabura kwangi. Nanchito nekasilizela kwangi. Umsebenzi lo uyafika uqedisela ngaphi?
Ewangi.
So takamba na personal manager. Kuthi dabulayiwe. Dathumiwa na call yakhe.
Uthi vela pasithunywa ukuthi uzokuthatha vela udlala.
Manje uthini manje mina ngisho ukuthi i-choice ngiyakho. Ngithi go and pack your bags and bye. Uthi hamba. Nakuqedisile into yakho le.
The team ngapho usubuilde the team.
Cream baba.
Any notable names obachiya khona?
Mfana wadla kuthiwa nguMisha Expander. Very good defender. Wadlala kuSabi Mine. Wadlala kuMaswingo.
Maswingo United.
OVictor. Sidini. Ukuthi baphela kuKwanda Ramblers. Labo Petias.
Okay.
Unfortunately abanye sebabhubha.
Yeah, it's so done.
Yebo wehamba lo mngani wami. Kuthiwa nguDumisane Mafikeng. Umfana wangaphi wemzilikazi.
Okay.
Uyangazi mina ngimazi. Dato B. No, it's okay. Hamba endlini ifike ngishawa. Bangiqonda ulinda. Ngishawa.
Uthi vele lapha una choice.
Ngishawa ngaqeda ngayenza konke ngaqeda. Ngathi nathi bathi ungasihluphi ukudla. Nanilambile phela. Bathi sekudla igwanda. Phasi ngale kuyalambisa ngathi.
Vele kuyayilahla.
Mbamba ithumba bathi nanku. Bathi impahla don't worry. I-truck yela niliblayo kusasa ekuseni. Kuseblayo. Alright. Ngene emoteni. Fike eblayo. Sabe eblayo Rainbow Hotel. We're booked in for the night.
These people is serious.
Halal.
Ngaphuchisa umsebenzi, team, everything.
Package ngathathanga konke.
Are they going to cover those things?
Ekuseni sisuke ebla sesiyale. Imali esibuyile konke. Lempahla. Ngene emoteni ekuseni. After breakfast. Wanky. Ngihlangabezwe ngumdala I don't know whether he's still alive or not. Ukuthiwa nguZindoka, Claudius Zindoka.
Alaba vele
today
in history.
Wayeyiphathi yeZIFA committee.
Alright.
Board member. Lo honorable uRugare Kumbo. I think uyamazi.
Ibizo
wayeminister. Wayethethe umama okuthiwa nguFaye Chung.
Alright.
wayengu-HR uRugare Kumbo. Uzindoke e-community service. Ngafika Wanky. Ngafika Wanky kuyi-Tuesday. Late ntambama kodwa akahambe elala ngaba ngalala. ekuseni paperwork yahla yenziwa yaqedwa, registration nani
Yonke
nani
into.
konke kwaqedwa.
And then wonke Premier League.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wednesday emini ngihambe eground ngandivelwa ngenzwa konke, hhayi angitrenanga.
Yeah.
Mina vele ngehla nje ukuthi ngiyadlala nini next week.
Yeah.
Khonapho i-weekend yangikhona igame engeSunday sidlala eZimbabwe Saints.
And by then chawu yachikwata kwakufiwa. Yayisabisa.
Khonapho ngandireplace ubani? Ben Zelengo esiye ku-Caps United.
Benzele ngowayebamba uWangi.
Yeah.
uWangi phela la is known for producing
Good
quality
goalkeepers,
goalkeepers.
Mina ngiyazirelaxela Wednesday abajida bayatraina bagijima. Mina vele ngikhohliwe.
Saphumula.
Yeah.
Rest.
Thursday ngihamba ngayenza i-medical yami lana ngiqeda ngaphuza ukuphuma esibhedlela ngicabele betrain kodwa hhayi.
Yeah.
Don't worry.
Konke kushawo.
Sokubizwa isquad sasikhempa nge-Friday wonke. Sithi-ke sikhempile eDecadram. Hhayi ngizwa lami ngiyabizwa ku-20 man squad.
Njani?
Mina angimangalanga
because
kwakufuze ngi-integrate lani
the squad, the
the
team.
squad. Angithola ngashooters, glove, kit,
Uchini.
ngathola i-toiletry bag yami kuphela. Ngizwa ukuthi Sandoda umdala okuthiwa nguMapesakala, one of the coaches. Sikoja nguPaul Moyo. But Sandoda ama-shooters anga mina ngiwachiyile endlini, wachiyile endlini kodwa abuyile phela from Bula, mina konke kukhona endlini. Dawari abanjeli.
Sebethuma
Xoxela everything sapha what ngihamba through their meal. Ibuye ibhasi yethu ekuseni singene ebhasini ngibona nasi ibhasi straight kulokuthi siye ground antsho yidla singene
igame
enkomponi.
ngayisewangi.
Singene enkomponi ngibona bese lapha ngihlala khona e-guest house. Thembisa ama-shooter lama-gloves.
Mentally ke.
Ngathi lapha phela imimbambayo.
Mentally wena unjani?
Kwakulo uzahleka elinye ibizo lesithu uzahleka. Kwakulo Isaac Juma as a goalkeeper. The third goalkeeper was Anton Nakamba. Ubaba
kaMarvelous nyamazi umdala.
Wamaye wabuya so ngithathe ama-shooters. Thatha leskipper sakho konke kwakubambe ibhola. Bantu laba. Ngangena ebhasini.
Kholiana.
Umdala uRodrick Smanza ethi hayi isquad simiso eqese ngoBen Soko. Antsho.
Buzi defense.
Defense. Wayaphutsha. Thisephutshile. Wathi goalkeeper lo Anthony lo Isaac. Singubona seqaso Isaac kube seqaso Anthony. Then omunye uza kungena nge-second half. Igame le asiyithathe serious. Because asi-relegate asithini. Sifuna ubona ukuthi lina liyadlala njani. Uthi la umdala chuma njani abone. Kame nanteleni ikhithi. Kodwa in case
anything happens
to kula nto enjalo. Bathi asihambeni ngiqoqa. Bevula ibhodi yabo. First name John is true. What?
Ngiyaqalisa.
But ngitrenanga. Mdala nibe train ndabamba kanjani? Sandoda. Antsho nxa sihamba ye-army ngale.
Must be ready.
Call up. Uyathatha umpuphu ngale. Faka amahlamvu hayi. Ngene iganga hayi.
So liba sezikhala.
So kunzima kuyini Sandoda? Sambi. Phandle bakwazi mbani obambayo. But abanye basezula amahongahonga.
Uthi uJohn usukhona.
Kwangena uIsaac lo Anton bangena bachaya warm-up. Ngangena ekucineni. Yay! Aduma stadium.
They knew you from Eagles days.
Yes. Because that dlala enye cup game ku Wanderers versus Wanke ama qualifiers ama playoffs.
labachaya
white seed abakhala yes abachaya ngoba ngicabanga khona ukuthi
uthi
kulo muntu
umuntu
ngolo striker sakuthiwa nguLaban Ngoma wayelamashoti so ngamchumisa yeah kule bhorenyi ayichayayo so wonke umuntu esethe go acrobatically futhi ibhorenyi yatha deflection but ele distance right so I managed to acrobatically turn angiyipheranga hayi ngayikushina nge-one hand ngayehlala phansi ngarola ngavuka ngachaya icounter bathi ngibamba ngomuthi
and vele ngesikhathi senu okomuthi vele wawuduma
like ngokusegazini maybe quite frank and honest yeah fine ngangena eground hayi khona ukuthi ngitshaya khona vele ukuthi ngicabange
vele ukuthi into leyo yolayo
qalisa igame sidlale azi vele ngikholisa vele yabuyise
ngoba abakusensi bona
bola uJoseph Machingura Innocent Rhodes uMbasha Bully Makhoba
iZimbabwe senzi yayisabiza
Ephraim Chawande emuva uGeorge Ayibu
Ajira wangabe kona
Ajira wayekhona
hey madoda
ndoda yazi kwakusetshenzwa nafu ngicambi namanga
but you managed to
Ajira wanchaya ku run of play sila wanchaya
istina
wachaya istina
wayichaba
afu ngicambi lamanga zange ngidive zange attempt ngoba wachaya phakathi kwabantu so ngapho mbona bread phakathi kwabantu lidlula ngathi alele ngaze ngithina lifike
awulifikeni
ila liChina
ladla kanjani igame lalo
sabachaya 2-1
nice one
hayi sachuba ubona baphi penalty ithathwa nguJimmy Phiri anjo yiyo manje yadla atshintsha into zonke penalty
you saved it
stopped it no saved stopped kaqizwi athi kohlatshela ingoma uyu goalkeeper ni watu Joani Samachuni watu
ngowethu umdala uJohn Shuma ngowethu
kwaba mnandi kwaba njani isenzi yadla khangela phansi ayabuye wanki Anthony Sibanda bongo
ngoba kudala vele nxa sisizwe eCollier ongaphunywa
awongaphumeki waya wani adlala sale kolumchomo kuthiwa nguVitalis Kamocha wachaya isigaqa sebhola 2-1
igame yaphela so Samachu ewankudla isikhathi singanani
ngihlala about 5 years
nawe vele abantu sebekwazi ukuthi iyayile ndibuya nini izoqoqotha ukuthi
ikhala layo iphoso yakhala eBF idlala enye cup game ebusuku la
udala nje kwakula ayidlala ebusuku amagame Mr. Ndoda these days akudlala ubusuku yazi into zezesa lezi
kunjana Mercedes Spanda nomelo Sinkiwani Kloppers Lord bachinga bathi uzohlala emalahleni nasibro nayi manje semsebenzini benze isikole no abrajwa ngathi kazokuba bona lethi brajo
ama player
hayi lapho wasiminto khona yonke into babuye eCollier sabageza 1-0 nangu-1 khona abakhalanga hayi Melus Rambo Kloppers under guidance kaRoy Barreto loBerta so rest in peace bathi salani uWhite Mpofu nguchairman nsimali baba sesibhukile ngalala endlini ekulalanga ekuseni bulawayo
ababe ufuneni
awurambo lami tick
uthi vele lapha wala choice so back in the days vele kwakunzima kwaku-easy ngaleyo ndlela ukuthi you can convince umuntu without procedure lezi ezikhona these days
procedure ekhona la kudala nje you talk to a guy umthembiso okuncane sometimes like mina going to Walenders nje iyenza vele i-brand i-big name yabona so nxa umuntu obizele Walenders you can say no
akebe kuzi kuyafana ukuthi kade i-Real Madrid come calling
ngama ngiji so kuwangeze nje i-record sawina zifa cup i-BAT Rose Bowl wonke Yeah, i-PAT Rose. Angisakhumbuli i-PAT Rose ma-Independence Cup. But kule cup esayewinayo ye-1, I think
Iwanki.
i-PAT.
And Iwanki.
Sa-represent ilizwe.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. By then phela Iwanki ongeke ukuthi because traditional lama big teams. It's a record indeed. Ngoba ngeke uthi Iwanki ayizazingawina ama cup la.
So sayenza ibizo.
Eh.
Sadlala i-Kenya Progress. First leg yenza le-Colliery. Ngagula 2 weeks before i-kick off. Yandonsa to 3 weeks i-cerebral malaria. I was gone, written off. Olo Dr. Makoni eCollier. Waba asure ukuthi uzadlala igame ngeSunday. Kenya Progress yabuya. Betrain abanye bethinthini nasesibhedlela kodwa
Hey.
eCollier.
But it tells you very from endlela ontshela ngayo ukuthi mental was strong. Very strong
Very
mental.
Before ama-games lawa lachaya uGraboski 5 elabo short Morris alosibhunjera mabhezi ngabani ebathile ama-shooters amanzi ngama-league games sasikarabha ama-team eCollier.
Kanti uGraboski wena esiz
Darren T.
Oh, Darren. Hey. Yeah.
So ngasenchaya
Asakhumbula amabizo lo Darren T.
Ngasenchaya imalaria ngangena esibhedlela. Kenya Progress yabuya hayi nga-treat nge-Saturday post match meeting ngan-write off.
Uthi vele not playing.
Sunday morning Dr. Makoni wabuya le team yakhe banthatha e-stadium late fitness test.
Pass.
In that game you couldn't say or believe umuntu
2 weeks.
Uphuma esibhedlela ezidlala igame.
Waphuma ewadini straight.
Ewadini.
It shows. I want it shows the ukuthi isikhathi umuma onjani. Because very things were probe.
We played with through 1-1 le Kenya Progress. Bakhala ngami futhi beKenya Progress.
To keep along.
Ngoba lama Arab uthi ngakuthiwa into zahamba ngendlela. Bile ngangixoxe la ke la. Ngansi Arab, ngansi Saudi Arabia.
Uthi umdala vele uzidlalela.
Second leg in 2 weeks time salandele Kenya Progress. Abantu bebekhona. Kwasetshenzwa. Yeah. First bangikwazi emhlanga on goal. 1-0. Say-equalizer 1-1. So they wanted the goal. Yeah, sure.
Laba wasesebenzi
Igola
cricket.
They fought for it.
Yeah.
Uref though wasebenzele ekhaya. We end up losing that game 2-1. After game ama-Arab bahlade
sakufuna.
Into zongizaprocesswa kuhle esibeni. Unfortunately someone waganga.
Phambanisa
confiscate passport yami. Wathi ufuna ukuthi ngihambele omunye player, you know. Sisitasi ngani bavuleki. Ama-Arab ahlupha. Yabo. Nxa information ibuya nangayitholi. Iphele emoyeni.
And wongela ama-agents.
Ngilamaje.
I-disadvantage yakudala.
Then kwasokuflya in omnye uma-Arab.
Sekufuna personal.
Semfuna personal. So wasephambanisa ukuthi wafika la e-ofisini ye-sports. Inathi ufika wathi wadinga i-football club office. Wasekhuluma lo munye umuntu phakathi khonapha. Uma want mention his name. Wathi kangikho.
Umuntu waphambanisa idini.
Yes, wathi kangikho.
But umona ufuna uhlale eWanki or
ngifuna ngihlale eWanki for what? But endlela waya benefit.
Exactly.
Hayi. Into yakhona Arab lana uhambe Sunday.
I-contract all the contract
Nale contract eCollier. Sengilandwa ngomunye umdala e-general office. Uthi kanti wena kulabona bebili lapha bekudinga so ababonanga. Nani libewa. Bazungu uzobhiya pano ngizokudinga. Ufuna into nayo. What? Ngise ofisini. Anhlanyanga.
Usuyi-ready
Hayi
evezini.
babo. Yeah.
Eh,
Yikho kahle ngoba yini? Getaway
u-trigger,
car time yami ukuthi ngihle ngithini?
Highlanders.
Highlanders. Ngoba uramba bathi bebuya the following week angosadlala le Black Aces eHarare.
Ah,
Antsho.
ah,
Sayiwina igame lena 1-0.
ah.
The following week Highlanders yasilandela nga eCollier. Sayichaya
Khona
1-0.
1-0. Ah,
So bathi bekhuluma.
ah.
Ngathi
Angisafuni.
ngisafuna.
But
Uzinto-
i-contract ayibhayindile.
Yeah, it was.
Eh,
Uzinto kwazama uncenga ngathi
sengishapha.
kurigare gumbo wathi mfana wangu ngathi mdala.
Ah,
So kwani wathi ungenzela kuhle ngathi
eh,
ngiyalithi ngihambe. So
akusela trust.
sina trust. Bahlala phansi. Bancenge ngendlela zonke.
Wayala.
Ngachaya phansi. Ngasijoinela Highland. Ngakholisa.
Ku-Highlanders, cause thina nxasizwe ku-Highlanders kami bekumuphi umnyango?
94.
U-Oxo.
Ichiya.
Oh, you replaced the
Yeah.
Oaks.
Mina ngathi ngifika kwaLenders uPeter retire ngathi waba le problem ngamanesi. Yabo.
Mm.
So basefuna replacement yakhe.
Ka-Oaks.
They had to sit in Zimunya. They had to Pop Moyo. They had to Musa Wenkosi Masango.
Musa Wenkosi Masango.
And they used to call Rao.
Ah,
Right. So those three ngathi babengama average goalkeepers. Simple because awuzange betholeni ama-game time.
oh,
Because
of the
usizini
Oaks.
Zimunya wahlala phose I don't know how many seasons eyi-second choice. Engangeni, engadlali kwayile.
Phophe ku-reserve.
Bonke boyi-3.
Oaks
Okuvele
egcina
yabamba.
igate.
Yeah.
Peter Nkomo.
Ongeke umkhiphelana.
Uyamkhiphelana.
Yabo. So hayi ngathi ngifika mina sengireplace uPeter Nkomo.
Unohlohlwa ayikhoqoni.
Lakho futhi ngathi ngifika phakathi kweviki.
Eh.
Same thing eyenzakale wanki.
Uzitshentile lapha
Hawu.
ngisajwayela ama-gents.
Ngithi ngifika mina ngafika Wednesday.
Eh.
Thursday office paperwork was done, qedwa. Friday light training. Saturday was included Seko Hotel California. Eliveve lapha. Ngibisa skempa khona.
I-camp house e-Highlanders.
Highlanders.
Ngiyayazi le indlu leya.
Akuyaziphekelwa lami ngahle ngajoyina vele ngani vele le 7 years ngkhona.
Andisho ama-gents.
Hayi ngathanda ngabo Rambo. Wonke umuntu wandanda. Yabo. Ngazidlalele. Ngime first game eSPF.
Akureceive njani amaNdebele?
Mayibo.
Hey phela kunzima ePF.
Hayi mina vele
Anti wena ubuya uyi-outside.
bekhala.
Ukuthi
Uthi umuntu lo
umuntu lo uyasiphambanisa.
lo. Maye bathe mbona ngena so ngathi ngine stadium mina.
Phela
Soweto yonke leya lempankweni labo Edgars la ngapha.
ole kit yakho le colorful le. Iyo ishayile.
Yangichaya.
Elamakhala amaningi.
Manje first game manje ngigqoke kaPeter Nkomo egrey. Yela masayile hamba diagonal. Ishoti limnyama lama socks ayi black. I-second game ngigqoke eyama nje. Ngathi ngena so
Sakwazi ngayo thina.
ngathi ngena so i-ground yonke yasukuma.
And iBF you know.
Ngathi nje warm-up so ngaxeka. Uxeka.
Lidlalalani kona?
Sedlale okuyi Black Aces.
By then uBoys bekwayini.
Boys bekwayini.
Sihlangana lama-gents.
Labo Raman company.
Anti Ramon usuke lapha ku-Eclipse.
Coach khona. Baba. Ngakholisa eBF. Ngaqala ngisempankweni. I mean empilo end. Abaqala mbamba khona. Igame khona manje sayiwina 2-1 against Black Aces.
Shayisa Mfaro phela yayihlupha.
Kube ngaconsider khona igoal yangikhona. Half time. Dese mbuya nga. Ya nje mandebele yawazi. Kalumante ngwane. Wakhala kwazi. Highland. Ithi wena.
Ukholisa.
Ngemva kwami so ngizochazeka nje. Ngizongkolisa.
I-team because ngiyazi memory yakho is very sharp. Remember line up yakho lapho.
Eyami lapha kwaYilanders nje. Ngalo gift ngayitshintsha lapho ngobiza randomly. Right ngalo Simon Sibanda. or Abraham
Makwe,
Makweya. Ngalendo Gift Lunga senior, I mean junior.
Junior, Tab.
Yeah. Ngilo Clopas Lolo, lo Melo Sinkiwan. Sometimes lo Rambo, wayidlala.
Alright,
Ngale 3 right back.
eh,
Sometimes one hambe ngabu left back. Then kumit ngalo Makay,
Nyathi.
Konjera, Makwinji, Gift Lunga,
Senior.
lo Craig, phambi kulobo Adam.
Hey. I'll feel.
Then Peter angidlalanga laye as a teammate. Ngadlala as a teammate kule tour game. Kwakuyi Bristol City. Was so from juniors ezodlala ku first team.
Yeah.
Because we Coventry. So kuma juniors esingena ku first team.
Okay.
So about a few handful of games kwaLanders uPeter. It's nature Coventry.
That's how talented you are.
The lady is speed Persia. With the progression under control. I was good at that.
So what so ngesikhathi sakho during your era lapho usuwayiLanders or isikhathi osudlale ngaso yibaphi abanye ogore owabona ukuthi laba bekumecha la nxa unganika nje top 5
ezimaphi ayikhathaza baba ama-goalkeeper. Ama-national team selectors babesicisha amakhanda
bese ngifuna ubuya khonapho vele after i-top 5 yakho bese ngifuna ubuya khonapho ukuthi why i-national team babevele bengakubhiki
Kolo Jaffet, short cat,
Baruth.
Yes. Baba Gary, Branham Siska, Peter Fano, Johnny Span. Then to an extent, Karim Abdul.
Karim Abdul is.
One kindly call yes, we only had John Spanda from this region. Now, Bona, Babi can attribute to Jaffet.
Baruth.
How Jaffet to Eva, Proma from
As a bundle of vele sizwa ngani if nxa ubona lana amalokhu zena udala lana eKarendini ayobonje lapho kwangadla
the guy was short had long hands and big palm
what the feature that
wenxa izimile so wantsho mina nje wena sununga manje ngeke sifika la ezosifika ngaphansi kwamadolo mbinjani
ebahamba
give him a jump or a spring you won't like it
abali top 5 yakho vele kuyafika
so ama-selectors antsho babekwazi ukuthi khona kuleyo nxa inkosi adobha lapha that's why you find ukuthi siyadlala ku-ebola
bese yeah
I had uJohn
ungakafiki khona lapho afa uqedisa i-top 5 yakho bese ngibuye ukuthi ku-national team wena ama-game akho ayobe few then sithe siqalisa laphana ngakhuluma nge-humility yakho ikhe yafika khona because i-humility yakho ihle yambonisa ukuthi ama-national team bathi befona besithi mdala because it was 11th hour anyway
it was 11th hour
i-research yamncayi nje it was 11th hour befona besithi ahlangane ezifawu wahle sukumela phezulu awuzange uthanda
because what I looked at when I received that call just ban
if you don't
participate. If you don't send a team to fulfill that fixture, just a ban and they have a fine.
As a country.
We're going to stay for more than 5 years in a labor.
But
you sacrifice.
This story this ngiyafisa ukuthi ngabe to uMagwizi that team in particular dina
with the likes of
mele belenze iplan
Gift Lunga Senior, Shepherd Muratsikwa, Alois Bunjira.
Shepherd Muratsikwa don't know
all from Wanki to Rambo the late Gift Lunga Senior, Uchipotsotso.
Uchipotsotso wahambe ebhola lana?
Yes. The boy always Bunjira.
Bese izintwana.
Because there when we got there teenage lo John Span. uJohn Span ngovuza iqalisa igame leya. That same way from a Chinen. uwomele yana ose-squad.
Wathi
igame ezadlala so. Antsho.
uh,
Umzo wathi mina ngikwanisi ikhanamisele buhlungu. Yabo. Joe uyaqala uBrams kodwa mdara. Nyanga inda yakho mina abana pressure.
uBrams ke blasengcoach.
Goalkeeper's coach. Wathi iwe inda yakho mina no abana chi. Luzwa ndalinga. Yabona? Sahamba sadlifika eDRC.
But lapana mdala pick up sa mina ngesifiso sazi cause umkhuhlane
ongayenzi.
And wakule fear kuthiwa iZimbabwe national team iyahamba wayithiwa Zaire. Also kuthiwa iZaire by then. Zaire
Ezidlala eKinshasa. Ndakwistro wakho nefoni yabathi ngizakutshengisa after this.
I mean ngawe wish ukuthi unqobile Magwizi the current vice president belenzele something abakhona abahamba
lokho. I think abangasearcha well through your office maybe ngaba highlight. They can look into it.
I must make sure ukuthi we cut this clip sizame plan because cabanga into isho ban fine.
A lot was going to happen.
A lot was going to happen.
Even Peter, those who were playing abroad, they were affected.
Cool.
Yeah, we're not going to get the recognition.
Because ibhola mina ncangikhayela izimfanisa labo uthi iCovid ayidekli kanjani.
Yeah.
Nxa lifika mentally linjani. Phela banafanele ukuthi leli empini.
Exactly. Let's figure out sangene eSheraton Hotel. Antsho. Sabele brief talk through the World Health Organization, my doctors. And basa sure we are coming back home alive. We mustn't be scared of anything. What they have, kumakita impilo zethu. So we mustn't be scared. Sasuke hotelini sigqoke uniform into the plane. The food was in the plane. We ate in the plane. Sadlala igame asitshintshanga. Sasihambela ama-shooters yabo. Saqeda igame sangena kwenye hotel si-refresher simelene imoto isihambise e-airport.
So vele yonke into
it was yonke ayivalele embodleleni.
Yena ama-support game la?
Enjani?
Kwakunama-support?
Mayibabo.
During the
180,000 plus. Babesi bengathi ebola bet. Baba. Bet ebola bet. Ebola. The Chai Mexican wave yabo. Baba.
Into ichaza sabathu yazini. Sadwa 5.
Yeah.
But kwathiwa
man of the match
ngukore wethu.
32 shots on
target.
Not off. Not off.
So how much shots are you than
on target. And those 27 were stopped.
Yeah.
Only 5 went in.
Hammered.
To an extent, ref. Keeper, right? I'm okay. My friend, you. Play. No, take your time. Akichimamela pa. Ahambe so ref. Ankangele so. So.
Why is there abantu bevubulala
abantu? Kodwa bafana bedlala England laba. Simba kuhle mabizo. But 2 of them are massacres. Bakhala. My friend, you're just too good. Why did you play in Europe? Nah, I don't know where I'm coming.
By then career yakho yesi.
Ndoda yazi wawufiwa. Umuntu ephuma point blank echaye so. Istina. Ngangakafuli. Hayi.
Utswara.
Ne technique wamebhora ngiyazi. Ungakhangela nje ama clips ama games amaningi. Malucho na bro uthiwa ngiwaphera. Even icross. Ngafika ngithatha kuphela so. Ningaphunyuki futhi ezandleni.
Ground ibanjwa ikhona ukuthi
you name it. Ground wherever. Yazi beze bahlabela ingoma yabo bengikhuthaza ama Congolese. Goalkeeper waya whatever language obese bihlabela ngami.
Hey Madrid.
Bengithi ebole bengathi so wanjo. Uzi ground ngani yasu. I vibration.
passion.
When?
And abantu basipendayo.
Hey. I enjoyed that game. Quite frank and honest with you. Ngathi ngalibamba so. Ngithi Rambo, it's launcher. Ngithi Chipo, hi. Faka gift.
But
In ball distribution.
distribution. What? It drop kick.
So ngimpasela gift. Ali control. Nxa ethena semthathele.
Njalo sakhuluma kathesi ngama attributions yabo goalkeeper. Kathesi currently nxa ukhangele okeeper balabo even national team wise Zimbabwean goalkeepers. Mbani ongamrate because bengikhuluma ukuthi sichayisana eLuvivi. You watch a lot of football.
I do.
Mbani goalkeeper ukuthi ungamrate ukuthi currently ongathi
With all due respect. Hate him. I like him. Ariel Sibanda.
Mangoy.
That's my number 1. Washington Tonarubi. That's my number 2. Tell me why. Ask me why. But it's wind. They can face anything. And these two, they've seen a lot with national team. When playing for a national team, it's not about your club's performance.
Because siyasambhesha phela uArubi kushows le show yenye edlalayo esifaka ngamamandizi. Siyasambhesha edlisile le lokhu.
Yes. Those are goalkeeper errors. David Seaman watch out in Porter from the center if you remember. England versus what? I can't remember. Was he crucified? No. Second game he played a better game. Arubi played a blunder one game.
In Nigeria wafika
wenza.
waseva kakhulu. It happens. So those are your 2.
Those are my 2. Ahead of them, I had Utapuwa Kapini. Despite the fact that these boys went through my hands. Aren't you? They went through my hands. Bonke 3.
Yes, I know.
Then I've got one who lost some goalkeepers coach with Platinum. Taman.
Not Ukayembe.
Ukayembe ngufana ngumna wami lona is my young brother. Taman goalkeeper coach why goalkeeper wabumari zitimari.
Umari omfishane.
Oyebamba
under Platinum captain.
That boy is good. But Utapuwa he was. Then Ariel, the Washington Arubi, I prefer them. We can say Chipeze, yes. We can say Bernard Donovan.
Chicken
in. I like Bernard Donovan, personally. But I'm ethics are goalkeeping, I want to impress. All my scope of blunders, I'm an enga cool.
Like you came down
Exactly.
Platinum.
Yeah. Even sometime last year, Babe draw ngenxa yakhe.
But ungananzela ulama clean sheet awonengezwe kuni
defense yakhe is solid. He is hardly tested.
Yeah, you've got a point.
Sit down. After every 15 minutes, saves is made. After every 15 minutes, saves is made.
So ungangokuthi kulabanye okeeper esethi ba good but bona very good defense.
Exactly. If you find the defense which is porous and the goalkeeper excels, then you've got a good goalkeeper.
You've got a good goal.
Look at Ariel. Who tell the way save Anjan? Look at Washington Arubi. This last game against Nigeria. Look at his club. At his club level.
Bamchaya.
Bamchaya, yes.
But Uchipezi is a club. Uchipezi is Ubambi. This is in there.
Yeah, Ubambi. But it doesn't mean to me what he can be automatically a first choice goalkeeper. I don't hate the boy. I'm tired of seeing it. But in his stage, let me put it this way. Right? Club football and the national level, 2 different things.
And you can attest and you know.
Uchafeti, he was an all-rounder. You bring him to guys. Because what's the national team? Like club level, vele the guys.
Umzondo wa Mukatsa do.
That's one hell of a goalkeeper.
Umzondo wa Mukatsa do cause
Ulezimzo.
Ulezimzo. Umzondo wa Mukatsa do gift.
Ombro. Umzatsi. Yeah. Mina urokuzen. Umzatsi.
Yeah.
He was a better goalkeeper.
Danu
Umbro.
Mzo
wayebamba. But in terms of goal, why not a height?
Yeah, why did
he was a good goalkeeper.
Why did
but kulamanye ama mistakes ayawayenza. like anyone else.
Anyway, yes.
And there was not like he would like too long with national team. Why I'm celebrating with Ariel Lo Washington? They've stayed. I think they've got more caps.
So,
National team.
like Ariel seven.
Exactly.
How Ariel said this card. I think we're in the Zealand was 17 years. 19 years.
Imagine.
It's too much.
So, a goalkeeper, some you can just temper around with week in, week out.
A change.
A goalkeeper, umnandi wine is 100% purified. How long does it take you wine to be umnandi? Over 100 years. Over 100 years. Uzuzuti yale wine. So ubole kwabolisisa.
Yikapha
Ukuthi hayi wine imnandi.
Wena ngesikhathi retire, how old are you?
Ngaretire le 42.
Abone ma history asitshela ngapha ezim. We're documenting history, bra.
The problem with us, I think I said it earlier on, ukuthi sasingakakhuli and singakabe exposed. Kales, give an example. Hambe essay. Udinge I-record. Eka William Shongwe. Goalkeeper former cricket. From Kaizer Chiefs. Bakutshela from Pans to date.
The record.
The record and they keep. Kales you go to Ziva.
I told you.
Uthi ngicele ka Jafet Mparutsa. Awutholi. So kukuba kusiya ku Love More Dube with Charles Mabika. You ngakutshela history ka Jafet Mparutsa. Which is wrong.
Yeah, it's very wrong. It's very wrong.
Our Zifa offices, they don't keep ama records. Upeter bayaxaxazela. Awuzobe keep yonke 100%. Nomini Mapeza awuzobe keep 100%. George Shire, William Sibanda from Zimbabwe, awuzobe keep 100%. We don't have that.
It's the problem that needs to be fixed.
If you go to Kalusha Bolas, Zambia,
because nxa ukhuluma sikhuluma ngo Stanley Katsani esithi uChirindo bedlala lo Peter Mduka kwaYilenda sathi hayi njani
how so thina sikho
asithatha into ethu serious. So njalo ukwenjela esinye story laba sibuya story let's amelanga ngazekele ukuzire hayi the day wafika khona injari alesi just
Isikatapuwa kapini.
Isikakapini.
No,
take me through it, take.
My boy was performing well at training. I was just too good for him. Ain't you? But mina ngamkhangela umfana wami. Ngazikhangela mina. I think wasenokhe twice, if not 3 times, ku national team. Ain't you? Then I said to myself, angisayindawo mina. And I've got a boy osembambile torch. Ain't you? Ngimkhulu wakhe mina. Usembambile torch engikhanyisela phambili. Why not usher him through? And that's what I did. So ama games ayebuya. Ngeke ngithi kabamba umfana abadala bayadla. Mbambe. Mbamba umfana bayadla. One day IPF. We're leading. Now, friendly me. I've never got injured in 90 minutes. Never. Sendly me. Babuya ama-medics imethi ndlovu lawyer. Bamba faka ama-eyes bathini. Ngathi hayi.
Sengishaya.
Angizwa shaba. Yakwanise ngithi hayi mani. Bathe 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Lokho bezama ukurapa unyana. Ibench awufa manini. Urefa nje vile goalkeeper kamjayi. Refa took his time. But imetu used to call me Chwalila. That's my other nickname. Chwalila. Yakwanisa yini?
Leli livela ngayo wonke.
Livela kwaYilenda from Alenda's boys.
Okay.
Lazakali. There are very few abantu abizayo. uGift Lunga Junior, uZenzo Moyo, Gift Lunga, ngathi ama-Gifts wonke beyi-2.
Usenior Junior.
Lucinelo Junior, lo Zenzo. Well, unfortunately, my dear friend is late. Urambo, the Melus, the Kloppers, may their soul rest in peace. Yonto ayibizile lezi sitshwalile. Lo Emmet Ndlovu. Sitshwalile, ekwanisa yini? Nah, dog. Ngiyala la. Sikukhiphe. Hayi. Umfana lo kakwanisi phela. Hayi.
But wena usubonile
Hayi. Isikhathi lesi sesiphelile umfana yabamba. Hayi. Intenze kwanisi phela. So liyamforce. Alright, ngashaya 3-5 goals ngokwena. Yes. Mayithi mphume ngapha eceleni. Hayi. Ngathi straight center line. Urefu wangikhangela. Kaze ngithi gijima sengithi.
Amandebele athi.
Amandebele athi. Amba umlomo ngaphandle. Amba amakhanda. Utapo bazange bembone bamba. Yabo? Ngafika ngathi mfana wangu. Ngathi nakuvara. Ndakupa chance. Yenda unobata bhora. Utapo uthesuka lapha egijima esiye egedini. Eseqala vele elentshunguntshuntshu uthi ufuna.
And very energetic.
Yes.
Look at how it turned out.
But after the game, sebengikhohlwa mina ebenchini. Sebesiya ngapha. Kutapo. Manani. Khethe
Wena kungomo
khethe mina ke.
Asawathi abathimini yakho abateammates akho odlalela emakhempu lapho wayenguye blind ngezibhishi wayelibuka mjana kaya ngezibhishi kuyafika mbona ninguwe obabulala ngezibhishi
umuntu esiphela ngezibhishi
emathimini wadlaliwe lawo okay la
ewanki ngalo Bensoko lo
characters
lo Chitima uNightmart babe ama-jokes Wanderers angikhulumi
ngowufiwa
awufiwa ngasemncane lami bungikhangela abo Dan Pofu la umaplane abadala laba bedawula ngespeech hayi talendas olo Mercedes Fund la wela ama speech umuntu oyequiet kwaLenders ngoAbraham nene
Mbambo Enzathi umbambo wadlala ama game
yes
no yellow card
kuhle
into leyenza I believe up to today.
Yes, it's very true. But go to Zifa now uzokuthole khona.
Wena believe ukuthi Abraham wadlala ama game amaningi njani wayelinda no yellow card no red card. Nickname I think ngokuthiwa ngupasta.
Kwase simbiza nene. Mina in my career I got a red card. Sadlala i-charity game AFC, Air Force of Zimbabwe versus Dynamo Zero Faro Stadium. After a crucial game at BF. So kwakule charity game eyayidlalwe eHarare. Versus Dynamo. Kwasevwa. Dynamo was under pressure. Nje mandla nje ngoBruce Grobler, admire uBruce Grobler a lot. Makela ama-ethics ami. kuBruce. Nanga uJohannes ungale kwe-18 abayichaya ilong ball ngiyavuza ikhanda kuhle kuhle so ngabona uKlopper seseli wayichiwa nguClaudius
Zuripai
ngabackpack la mina ngisiya ngapha egedini ngicabanga ukuthi uKlopper uza njani uza recover emthathe umeli usunga ule onene yasathakile
bonke sebepushile
spesile ngikona ngayo ngathi mbili mva ngathi ibhora leli wase miskick ibhora yena laba ku no man's land between mina laye mina ngiyamfikela masinyane lo then take off ngachelela anju senyafika ebhoreni lapha ngamnika nje i-angle walichaya ibhora leli ya bayachaya isandla sami
uphandle
mphandle kwe-18
red card
urefu uthe buya wengele intention ukunika i-red card hayi uyazi bekungutamba into Ntangawarema
Felix
Felix Ntangawarema
top ref. What a ref.
ngathi ngibone buya kimi so ngahleka so ngedwa ngakhipha iskipa nje ngajikela phansi awulukhalala hayi ngakwazi ukugqoka ukhona ophakathi uzabetha lethi iskipa yathatha gqoke ngakhipha ama gloves ami ngabeka phansi wathi unophenga ukunda kuphi ngathi ref yeah it's red card re but ndina kupha red card ndazipa kudara ndeka Johannes awuphengere hayi ndara ndo brother Chos ndabatha phansi box sanda kubuda phansi yini ndinachabatha namadinda ndecha uzobata madinda game ungena waqoqa also about 7-8 minutes
that
or
was
so.
the only red card I told.
That was the only red card I got.
Aish.
Yaziwahleka ngimothi Joe mfana wangu yopa upenyo wakho awuna red card andimbofi ndakupa andivisi andibudisi
So waziphumele
ngathi andakubuda yini alright ndakuita mutemo but moyo mwangu andisikuda kukupa red card dzokera ufeki
sportsmanship
ngathi vachandiseka vanhu niwe vachakuseka ati mfana iyi unonena kids
wabeyikhipha
hako watwaibisira mashina kuti ona ndakurumidza kudzosera momo ndakupa nze
sportsmanship
ngaphuma ngahleka abedala mbozi abaduwa ukuhleka wahlala phansi that was the only card I got madinda wangena egedini oba nggoalkeeper la waseva 1-2-3 balls
as usamachusi ngahlala uzobe kusasa. I want a lot of stories sesurround up umdala ama strikers odlalela ongasho ukuthi lo muntu ngangikwathi sihlala lo akuyafika or the most fit strike or isaba awukwazi ukuthi
i-1 kuphela okuthiwa the bomber kodwa ngagcina ngiyibhombile
imbane lo
uMaronga Nyangela
samuzwa kakhulu mina sangambuki
Black Rhinos why vele sidlala we friends thina sidlala ibhola manje sichokana kanti ogwesta how to go esiurimbaranzi what that kind of talk awayebuye mfana wami wayechaya awushekman yes babehlohla ya but umuntu ayesithi ufuna ukuhlohla la yebona ukuthi umuntu aggressive igedwa lifuna to me was uMaronga Nyangela
ngiyokumuzwa
and then kulesikhathi lapha wadama efuna khona golden boot eThai lo Maronga we were playing a game versus Black Rhinos eGwanzulu. I denied him 3 chances.
Maronga
Yeah.
Adam wafaka
into Adam efaka wayethola ama assist from me
and service
yabona uMaronga wathi kimi wakhala uMaronga ndisukugoweza ngathi andinayo totur bara
you want umbombo wena
awugoni ngathi awugoni goweza that akukumqiniso kodla uMaronga used to give me problems
so hlohla kakhulu
wayinhlohla esizini nje inqaba yinchayile nxa 2 goals 3 goals Maronga awayinhlohla kusikhathi ngimsevela ngale yabo but wayinhlohla umuntu wayengikhathaza lwa nxa ebuya sonhle ngiqale ngicabanga ngithi hey umfana uyachayela ngabe umuntu lo la ushona lo sorry to say this sorry
yeah I know football
kuzasikwenza
ama viewers they understand
anjaye so ndakugoza emdebere ngithi shona ragoyisa ko ngazodi yabo Kawunoenda kubruwa ngathi blawayo. Yayo bruwa yabo. That's how we used to enjoy.
Yes.
Dasha but ndogoyisa hayi ndere rangu eri ndoka ndakagoyisa. Oh ne.
Then my last question will be esikhathi zenu kuyokhulu indaba ekona ukuyayibamba ngazama ukuyivala because bengikwazi ufuna uvala ngayo. Baye bathi ubamba ngomuthi.
Yeah.
Into le ngayibuza uChina because uChina udlala usenza. Into le yomuthi yayifika kakhulu. Liqiniso into kwaku ikhemo yayikhona isebenza o into esizizwa nje ezingayisiko
right today ngale sengalamuhla nsiye emuva anjho ngaqale emuva nsiya phambili ufuna uqalisa la kathesi sithi kulesikristu anjho siyathandaza siyayenzani lani but endulo ezolo kwakulokuqiniswa ngabadala manje umuthi eBhoreni ukhona kwabanye abantu ababelieve ngomuthi angikufihli mina ngicela ukubamba ibhora lo goalkeeper kuthiwa nguChiro Gorilla wabamba way back kuthiwa wayebona isitimela sibuya isitimela so ibaleke egedini ibaleke so iphuma egedini kuthiwa ngathi ukuthi isitimela sibuya kuyishort yabo abantu uthi mbona uma ngoye buye
watsho njalo
amanye ama strikers exa ukuchayela ibhora so umzi ubona ukuthi phela mbona uma ngoye egedini ungori yabo so amakudala singaqala isinukudlala thina ibelief ikhona amangaqiniso ukuthi emuntu ebhoreni kuloku believer entweni yonke ama sports wonke lasobona abantu be-enhancer ngama-drugs they think ama-drugs aku-enhancer to perform Maradona yabona so ibelief yakhe so ama-Maradona ngawuse-Africa ngawusebenzisa umuthi steroid so thina e-Africa sibhiliva ngani ngomuthi Zaire yahambila inyanga ezingu-11 eground World Cup yachawa 11 not
I remember
so umuthi manje ukukhoma ukuthi umuthi awukho ukhona umuthi ebhoreni that's the truth
up to today
mina I wouldn't say ngilo muthi hayi mina sorry ngizakhuluma iqiniso lami njoyini wanki ngabe isintwini sewanki bangixoxela phandle
all right
ngabuza bathi hayi asikukwanisi ulokwakini wena
yes
yabo mina my forefathers ngama sportsmen from Angola
yes
ngama sportsmen so ama jeans ngawuchuda lokuhamba
okay
unfortunately abantwana baphuma ebhoreni I've got 3 boys and 3 girls anjo bonke abadlali ibhora ngingazi lokho okuncane ngibuza adlala ibhora right ngabe kwa Islanders anjo kulomkhubo anjo yes ngam-participate here and there okunye lakho hayi ungangenwa ku-national team lakho sihamba kuma-national teams siparticipate that kuma-COSAFA etc moza wara ujujumeni wayekhona ungizethi guys kulo muntu labaye kusikhathi siphuma singu 3-4 uthi hayi manini eceleni liyasinda abanye so kuyabe ngikwakithi hatsho ukuthi I mean I don't know Takathesa still have those million questions to ask
but I think pendulekile mina ngiyakuzwa ngoba athi uyathola ukuthi amanye ama player fiko
exactly bathandaza
so i-believe hayi kuyacaca njengoba sikhuluma ukuthi uretire at 42 and ama-honors ama-cup elowinile kuyafika ama-medal sesiyivala
akuyafika
ngayi
uCosmazulu nxa ukhumbula
Thando
wawutshela ama-medals amangaki
Thando kuyafika
lemphoseni yalo Thando
ama-medal countless
amangicela ngasawazi ikakhulu abangathatha khona ama-medals amaningi kakhulu kuwayilenda kwanki ngathatha about 3 ngapha manje weeklies lakho ngathatha oBET Rose Bowls promoter ama-runners up uZifa Cup amaningi ngathi all in all ngapha manje nxa ngingaphambanisanga 40 plus afika
so discipline kuyafika
bila
abuthala yazi bekumnandi ukuthi uhlala yazi kuthiwa nostalgia lami ngibona izongani
sikholisa
ngikaze ngena ku-60s umdala ezalwa ngabuya 80s sempumelelo understand sikhathi senguwayilinda sengukapini ama-goalkeeper engawabonele khathi esimdala wenzani because ngiyabona wazama ukuthi ufuna uvula i-goalkeepers academy is the team still there or
into naso academy hayi ngathi academy semphambanisa because the word academy means a lot. You must have a school, you must have all sporting disciplines. Ama-facilities wonke bekhona so mina nilakho lokhuya nale kuthiwa JT Goalkeepers Training Masterpiece.
Oh yes, whereby
I'm just training young goalkeepers, young boys to become goalkeepers of tomorrow.
Uh,
I-project lana I'm still on it. It's unfortunately update last year memphathekile.
mm,
Yeah, I was down for phose umnyaka. Yabona. Ngayenza ama-operation, ngadrainwa amanzi, etc. Yeah. So
esibonga umlima.
Yeah.
Ngabe namhlanje asihleki so. Awe umnandi.
yeah. So that thing is still on.
Okay.
Yeah. Ngizayivusa futhi very soon. I think I'm back on my feet.
Mm,
And kulesikolo ngisincedisayo kathesi as I speak.
mm,
Ngiyacoach esikolo, it's a private school.
mm.
Ngaqamba ibizo lesikolo.
Akuna problem.
Yeah, Christian Brothers College, SCPC.
CPC la.
Yeah.
Mm,
Ngicoacha khona abafana ama-under 15 lama goalkeepers wonke general.
okay.
I've produced good goalkeepers.
Mm,
Yabo. And kulo one umfana ondisappointayo nje but nizamthatha nizamenza ugoalkeeper.
mm,
Yeah, ngamthatha from scratch.
mm.
Baba Kethe uyaziqhenya ngaye.
Okay.
Though umfana waqese kuNyambiyas Academy.
Eka Colin.
Yeah.
Uh,
Efunda CPC.
So
So I took over mina, I'm Polish. I've got one umfana okuthiwa nguSean Sibanda. I-product yami e-JT.
all right.
Nganika uGuide Goddard
Chicken.
chicken in. Ngathi Guide lo goalkeeper yini kumanda D3 or D3 or D2. I think it was D2 yawo. Lo goalkeeper that ngathi nangu umfana I'm and that boy is doing well.
Place Donovan.
Energy Mrambadoro lama photos la mfana lo. Yeah, he's happy ngayo. So I think that thing is sponsor.
Ama sponsor nxa ikhona lathi sikunje so siyadinga ama sponsor.
Singatholela bo uTagwire. Sorry to say that ngidala
imbingi. Lathi kubulewe
besincedise,
siyazifuna yes.
besincedise like thina ngabe Bulawayo nje.
Yes.
Sikhatshana.
Lathi sizama kunini sikhankaza mdala sithi sifuna ama resources because istory eziso
ziyafunakala.
Ngathi bukhulu ezifa zikho but thina sesizidocument sesizigcina for future abantu ababuya they will be motivated ngestory sakho mdala Joan Samachuchum nyabe sizwa but asayisimuze sizibonele khuluma but now Tep3 TV sebele lokhuzini something to refer ukuthi hayi uJohn Shuma now sizibonele ezikhulumeni hayi bewukuhle Samachuku
Ubonge mina.
hayi ubonga thina ababukeli ngiyathemba silababukeli basibhalela abanye bakubo Island abanye baseGoli I'm sure they'll be very very much happy to see abanye because abanye akwazi bengakahambi babekubukela babekholisa kakhulu eBeef lami ngangubukela ngisase ngumfana ongakathi njengoba bengikhuluma ngegame lana horsepower ufubula lo keeper okuma yesho
Sesiqinisa amankaza. Uyazi amankaza nayiqina ukudla abafana abaningi. Amankaza lawa neNew Orleans.
they're
strong.
New Orleans blind
Upline. Look at Rosemary Mkata, Quincy 15,
Nomsa
Boys, Elizabeth, Odezi, just
And
unakasiza khoza.
yes ngiyabadinga ema invite ngiyabasenda ngiyabadinga abantu bonke bona lami ukuthi sihlale basuke siza istory because ncobo mention so abanye abantu abakwa especially ama 2000 la bengawazi ukuthi sikhuluma ngani but anyway that was the legendary Johannes kanti Malelana elingayezwa kakhulu
Jolila.
Johannes Jwalila
Manje ukhumile phansi uzibekile.
hayi mina ngiyazakale kakhulu uJohannes Jwalila Chuba hayi ngithemba ngikholisile mdala vele ngendlela oyenza ngayo zawufuna for part 2 hayi this was nice this was
Yeah, part 2 is available.
hayi Vesa is part 2 thank you for watching see you next time
Thank you very much. God bless.